guys, come join me at this South Florida Outdoor January 2023 event hosted by Baker at Customs, your leader in Harley Davidson and your cruisers and custom bikes.
Subscribe to Power Moto! Подписывайтесь на Power Moto! Alright! Russian
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
Power Moto.
At this event, you will not only see the vendors, but the entire motorcycle community joining together. One brotherhood. And stay tuned, because you're gonna see these gorgeous babes and models and awesome stunts from another universe and beautiful motorcycles like you've never seen before. Subscribe today, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, because we need you right now on Palamoto.
Hey, Jack Customs, tell me about this event. What are we doing? We're showing bikes and going for a ride?
What channel are they watching?
Moto.
Yeah, my dog, Baker at Customs. We gotta go for a ride now and film the bikes riding.
Nobody took my crown.
Enjoy it.
Nobody took my crown.
You're gonna
Nobody.
take.
This guy!
Hold on.
Yeah.
Finish building the trash can, and then you can talk. Hey, introducing 2023 Burger King.
Subscribe to Power Moto! Подписывайтесь на Power Moto!
Alright, this girl. Thank you.
If you like watching this events video, check out one of these other two similar events videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.